Let's be real. We all have those days. The alarm screams, your body aches, and your mind whispers 1,000 reasons to stay put. You're drained, uninspired, and the thought of tackling your to-do list feels like climbing a mountain. It's that feeling of I just can't. You hit snooze, roll over, and sink deeper into the covers. We've all been there. But what if I told you that these very moments, the ones we dread, are actually the defining ones? It's in those moments of resistance that true strength is forged. When your mind is screaming no, and your body is begging for rest, choosing to rise and push forward is what separates those who achieve from those who merely dream. It's easy to be motivated when you're feeling good, but the real test is showing up when you're not. So you've got something to do. Don't let it linger. Don't fall into the trap of I'll get to it tomorrow. Procrastination is a dream killer. Attack your tasks head on, conquer them, and move on with purpose. Each day demands this unwavering discipline. Imagine your alarm clock as a crossroads. Every morning, it presents you with a choice. Path A, the allure of the snooze button, the temporary comfort of retreating back into slumber, where dreams remain just that, dreams. Or Path B, the grit to silence that alarm, throw back the covers, and aggressively pursue the life you envision. The problem for many is that they wait for someone else to fuel their ambition. But here's a hard truth. It's your dream, and its realization rests solely on your shoulders. No one will want it as much as you do. No one will feel the burning desire within you. If you genuinely want that goal, that vision, you've got to summon the courage, the discipline, and the sheer willpower to rise and grind. If you're committed to making it happen, you won't have the luxury of hitting snooze or waiting for motivation to strike. You'll be up before dawn, attacking the day with unwavering focus. Let's not sugarcoat it. Achieving anything truly extraordinary comes at a cost. Greatness demands a sacrifice of your time, those precious hours you could spend relaxing or indulging in distractions. It will drain your energy, both physical and mental, pushing you beyond your comfort zone. It will require unwavering effort, those extra repetitions, those late nights, those early mornings when everyone else is asleep. You will have to sacrifice immediate gratification for long-term fulfillment, saying no to things that pull you away from your path. And yes, it will demand resources, whether it's money, connections, or simply the sheer force of your will. In essence, greatness will require you to invest pieces of your life, pushing yourself further than you ever thought possible. It's not cheap, and that's precisely why so few attain it. They're unwilling to foot the bill. To conquer your goals, you need to cultivate the mindset of a victor. This is the unwavering belief that you will do whatever it takes. Obstacles become challenges to overcome, setbacks become lessons learned, and failure becomes a stepping stone to success. Every single decision, no matter how small, acts as a building block in the structure of your life. Your financial choices determine your security. Your daily habits shape your health, and how you spend your time dictates your progress. Even hitting that snooze button sends a message to the universe. I'm willing to delay my dreams for few more minutes of comfort. It's a step backward. So, take a hard look at your goals, your deepest desires, your ultimate destiny. Do your daily actions reflect that vision? If you want to remain stagnant, keep making the same choices. But if you crave a different reality, you've got to embrace different actions. It's not just about gritting your teeth and enduring the pain. True mental fortitude lies in finding a twisted sense of joy in the struggle. It's like the athlete who relishes the burn of the muscles, the artist who loses themselves in hours of practice, the entrepreneur who thrives on overcoming obstacles. Embrace the challenge, the fatigue, the setbacks. See them as opportunities to prove your resilience. Many fail to reach their potential because they create escape routes. They offer themselves a safety net of excuses. But within you lies the power to achieve extraordinary things. No one is an island. We all need support, encouragement, and a kick in the pants when we falter. Find your tribe. Those people who believe in you, challenge you, and push you to be better. It could be mentors, friends, family, or even an online community. Surround yourself with those who fuel your fire. And most importantly, discover your why. What is that deep-seated reason that propels you forward? What gets you out of bed in the morning? If you lack that driving force, find it. Because you weren't meant for mediocrity. You were meant to rise, to conquer, to live a life of purpose. How much longer will you allow yourself to be held hostage by excuses? How many more days will you waste complaining about what you lack, instead of taking action to create what you desire? It's time to stop being a passive observer and become an active participant in your own life. Stop being that person who's always too tired, too busy, or too unlucky. The truth is, you are the primary architect of your reality. Your physique, your career, your environment, they are often a reflection of the choices you've made. It's a tough pill to swallow, but it's the first step to freedom. Your mind is a powerful tool, capable of both creation and destruction. You can think yourself into despair, dwelling on negativity and self-doubt until it becomes your prison. But here's the empowering truth. You can also choose to think your way to freedom, to cultivate a mindset of resilience, optimism, and unwavering belief in yourself. It's all a matter of choice. So, take control of your thoughts, and you take control of your life. Enough with the complaints. Stop lamenting your lack of fitness when you consistently skip the gym. Stop criticizing your appearance while indulging in unhealthy habits. It's time to bridge the gap between your desires and your actions. If you yearn for change, you have to initiate it. Whether it's a workout routine, a healthier diet, a new business venture, a book, a film, or any creative endeavor, the starting point is here, and the starting time is now. You need the unwavering discipline to show up, to put in the work, day in and day out, regardless of how you feel. Life is a relentless arena, a coliseum where you must be prepared to battle for your dreams. And the only way to emerge victorious is to show up every single day, ready to face whatever challenges come your way. Embrace the struggle, for it is in overcoming adversity that you unlock your true potential. If you can develop the discipline to do the things you don't want to do, you'll find yourself on the path to greatness. Life is a relentless arena, a coliseum where you must be prepared to battle for your dreams. And the only way to emerge victorious is to show up every single day, ready to face whatever challenges come your way. Embrace the struggle, for it is in overcoming adversity that you unlock your true potential. If you can develop the discipline to do the things you don't want to do, you'll find yourself on the path to greatness. It's never solely about physical strength. The real battle is mental. Champions aren't defined by their lack of fear, but by their ability to conquer it. They don't dwell on what-ifs or maybes. They focus on how. They don't seek to merely survive. They strive to thrive. And to do that, you've got to become intimately comfortable with being uncomfortable. Embrace the challenges, the uncertainty, the moments when you want to quit, because growth lies just beyond the edge of your comfort zone. Consistency is the lifeblood of mastery. Think of a skilled marksman. If they neglect their practice, their skills will inevitably decline. The same applies to any endeavor. You have to constantly sharpen your skills, challenge yourself, and push your boundaries. You can't afford to become rusty. The machine of progress requires constant fuel, constant effort, constant refinement. No one truly enjoys the grind, but everyone desires the outcome. You've got to cultivate such an intense craving for that end result that the work becomes almost irrelevant, a necessary stepping stone on your path. If you're truly committed to setting ambitious goals, if you possess the unwavering willingness to make the necessary sacrifices, and if you have the courage to surround yourself with the environment and support you need, then I can almost guarantee your success. Don't let the opinions of others deter you. Don't allow fear of judgment to hold you back, and don't be afraid to step on a few toes in pursuit of your vision. Most of the time, we lack an external force to keep us in line, to push us when we falter, to deliver that swift kick in the rear when we slack off. There's no coach yelling from the sidelines, no mentor constantly looking over our shoulder. Therefore, we must become our own internal sergeant, our own unwavering disciplinarian. We must hold ourselves to the highest standards, demand excellence from ourselves, and refuse to tolerate any form of laziness or complacency. This self-accountability is the cornerstone of achievement. Think about your own patterns. Do you often start projects with enthusiasm, only to abandon them when the initial excitement fades? Do you work hard when you're feeling motivated, but slack off when you're not? This inconsistency is a major obstacle. People who consistently show up, who deliver on their promises, who put in the work regardless of their mood, will always surpass those who rely solely on talent or fleeting bursts of motivation. Stop waiting for external forces to ignite your drive. Cultivate that fire within. You are your own biggest challenge. It's not the lack of opportunities, the absence of resources, or the negativity of others that truly holds you back. It's you. For too long, you've allowed external circumstances to dictate your actions and emotions. Now it's time to reclaim that power. Learn to push your own buttons, to motivate yourself from within, to become the master of your own destiny. Don't let anything outside of you control your drive. Move. Every single day. In some way. Take action towards your goals. Even on those days when you feel defeated, exhausted, or utterly uninspired, move. It doesn't have to be a giant leap. Even the smallest step forward is progress. Change your state. Get your body moving. Shift your focus. You control your actions. You control your feelings. And consistent movement will create momentum. I don't care how insignificant it seems. I don't care how minuscule the progress feels. Just move forward and make that a non-negotiable part of your daily routine. Because every day that you remain stagnant is a day you fall further from your dreams. Your 5-year plan, your 3-year plan, your life's vision. None of it will materialize unless you get up and start working towards it today.